guys! Today we're gonna open my box from Max! Max Tour! Ariana! Guys! Look what I found. It's even delivery. This is Max Tour. We buy in the shop. I don't know what's inside. Okay, this open. Let's do it.
1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa! Whoa! Get out!
Guys, look! It's a Max Verstappen towel!
For me.
Oh, looks so comfy. Let me put it in the back room.
Look!
Want to see, guys? Okay.
Whoa! Look, Max!
Ta-da! See?
What, Max?
Verstappen.
Max! Max! Look at this! Let's open it.
Oh, look! World Champion 2021.
Whoa! So close.
Cool.
One is
The lunchbox!
for me. Whoa!
Wow. What else, Ethan?
Look what I got. Water bottle.
Whoa, that's so good.
Oh! Not starting again.
Let's see what's more. Whoa! It's a t-shirt! Look at
Whoa!
this.
It's a t-shirt.
You have this one and I have this.
It's
I think it's even fit on me. Look.
Whoa, Max! I found it! Oh.
Let's put this right over here.
Empty. For me. This is a cool guy. Max, give it to me. And look at this. See? Even this can do. Even this. See? Even this one. See? Ta-da! I can put my foot here, and I can put my stars here, and stars there, and that go there. That's how. See? And this one. And look at it! Ta-da! What did we do? We did the scissors before. Everyone had this.
This is all what we got in Maxter. The towel, the t-shirt, the car, the lunchbox, and the water bottle. And the hat. And the clothes. Bye! Keep pushing, Max. You're number one.
Keep pushing, Max. You're number one.
Bye.
Bye. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you. Bye.